Following this, the material enters the phase of heating and steaming. By applying heat, the structure of the waste is altered, making the oils more accessible. The temperature and pressure conditions are meticulously controlled to optimize oil release without damaging its quality. During this stage, water content in the waste is also reduced. The next critical step is separation. Centrifuges or other mechanical separators are employed to isolate the oil from solid residues and water. These devices utilize centrifugal force to effectively differentiate between the various phases based on their densities, allowing for the collection of pure oil. The separated oil is then filtered to remove any remaining impurities. Finally, the extracted oil undergoes refining processes if necessary, depending on its intended use. For example, it may be treated to remove odors, colors, or unwanted chemical compounds. Throughout the entire process, environmental considerations are prioritized, with efforts made to recycle or dispose of byproducts responsibly. Overall,